Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set default notes about invoices and estimates on the Invoices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the default notes section, which is the fourth one in this invoice part. Here you can type in the default note if you tap on this blank space at the upper box, and then type in your default note. When you are done, you can repeat the same steps concerning estimates, so type in the other default note, and that's it. Just tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen and everything will be updated automatically. If you want to edit it, just go back to this section, tap on the relevant box and type in the new note. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.